Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. Once again I'm present with another video of Vechain. My friends, what is the reality of Vechain? In this video I will show you friends what is the realistic price prediction. I will show you friends, keep watching this video till the end, and if you are new to my channel, so please click the subscribe button, like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos my friends. My friends, if you are a holder of Vechain, so you already know about the Vechain price that very badly falls down in the previous time change over. Very bad. And I'm very shocked, my friends, to see this kind of change occur in the Vechain. Last one day, last 1 week, pricing is still negative. Oh my god, what's the reason behind that? And a lot of people, trust me, a lot of people message me that when will the price of the Vechain increase, when will. So I told him that we can't say about the future. Wait, hold. If you trust on ABS station, so hold, and if you not, so that's your choice my friends. Anyways, for those people who's hold on this time, so absolutely that is a good news for all Vechain holders, that now at this time the Vechain start pumping my friends. Anyways, if you don't subscribe, so please subscribe ABS Tech channel my friends, because subscribe is very important. I will update you every time from a new cryptocurrencies news, which is very important for all of you. That is why I'm telling you to subscribe ABS Tech channel my friends. Anyways, the latest price of the Vechain in the market at this time is 0.107839 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the Vechain in the market. Let's see my friends the price chart of the Vechain. My friends, same process over in the Vechain. Oh my god, absolutely very badly form price of the Vechain is falls down. Very badly. I can't believe that that is a false, but I'm very shocked to see that's gone wrong, completely gone wrong my friends. But now if you look this point of the Vechain, so this point happy my heart that now the last 1 hour from this time they start pumping. So I'm very happy when I see this kind of positive trends occur in the Vechain. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about Vechain? Please tell me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.